That's less than a 64th of an inch. It's, I think, 128th inch line. Leaf is about 22 or 23 feet across, and it's made of 251 cells, and it looks like a leaf caught in a breeze, just lightly touching the ground. Each of the cells is cut or scribed with a different plant from the Freyer Newman Center's Herbarium collection. And we've included the digital tag so that visitors can see the sculpture leaf and then go online and actually find the plant sample. We look for projects that blend science and nature together. And this is really, that kind of epitomizes this project for us. Is it takes the good science that's being done here in the herbarium and allows us to express it in kind of an artistic way at the front door. The inspiration is right here inside of these chambers. You have so many plant samples, and it's such an enormous amount of work and a body of research that we couldn't help be fascinated by it. And that's really where we started. We went online, we found this data, these samples that are online, and we started to look through them and try to understand them and see the shapes in them. And that's really where it started.
In order to provide Jason with a good representative of Colorado native plants, we actually as a department got together and chatted about which plants would be good representatives of the Colorado flora. So we put together some of our favorite species, some of those that we work on, as well as just classic Colorado plants such as our native state flower. We are actually one of the most publicly accessible herbaria within the state, for sure. Most herbaria are actually located on university campuses. And here in the Freyer Newman Center, we are actually front and center. And so we are able to bring the museum to the people in a way that we weren't able to before.
Denver, it seems like the city and the population, the people, have a real desire to find places all over for artwork. So there's a real support for creating public sculptures here, and it's an honor for us to be able to express some of the work that's locked in behind these in this vault. It's impressive and it's incredible that since the early 1900s, the herbarium staff have been collecting these specimens, and they're all right here. So it's exciting for us to be able to bring that outside to anybody walking by, just to see a little bit of all the work that you've done here.